Kara and I are going to Castles and Coasters today. We left the kids with Nana and Papa because, well, Braylon didn't really want to ride these two roller coasters, so that's pretty much what we're doing. Just come check out the roller coasters, maybe hang out for a little bit, and I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I hear mixed reports on these, so I guess we'll just have to experience it for ourselves to see. What do you think? What are you thinking, Kara?
I didn't take any ibuprofen yet, so...
Well, there you go. We might need it. I guess if you love arcades, they have a pretty decent sized one here. This looks to be our direction. We're paying $47 to ride this roller coaster, so hopefully we like it. So yeah, this side is like the bumper cars and the putt-putt, and then over here are the rides. And so let's go check it out. Queues are like super skinny and can be somewhat confusing how they like merge. Like literally a kiddie ride and Desert Storm are like connected, so it's a little different. So we just rode Desert Storm, first take. It's actually not too bad, not as intense as I was kind of expecting, like with those loops, because it looks like it really whips you through those loops. There's a couple janky spots to it, but overall it's just a fine looping roller coaster. I mean, nothing special or whatnot, but it's a little tight, so taller guys, you might have a little bit harder time fitting into, especially under that lap bar. That lap bar is on the more restricting side for your height, so, but whatever. Fun ride. Now we're gonna head over to Patriot. So we're waiting for the front row over here on Patriot, and the ride-off told us that the brakes hit pretty hard, and I just watched it. Yeah, so good knowledge to have, the brace for impact there when you pull back into the station.
It's this part right here that is like, the ride. What are you doing to me? Why are you so shaky?
So we rode Patriot, you go around twice. The ride actually is a little bit more forceful than I was expecting. You hit some of those turns pretty sharp, and then obviously the abrupt brake stop. Actually, it wasn't as bad as I was expecting. There's other roller coasters that you slam into those restraints a lot harder. But yeah, this park kind of really reminds me of like a boardwalk park, like one of the ones in like New Jersey or whatnot. Everything's really tight, compact, like ZBTs too, you know, something like that. So yeah, now we're gonna go check out, it's called, let's see here, Splash Down. So, a good log flume. I'm always a fan of a good log flume. Did you get wet?
Yes.
There we go. Breathe. I didn't get too wet on that last drop. We survived. What did you think of the log flume?
That was fun.
Yeah, it was a fun little ride. We got, I think I got my legs more wet. Yeah, it's a log flume. I mean, they have some nice little theming around it though. Pretty decent, I guess. So, I don't know what to do next. castles and coasters. So we just did the go-karts. Tara, what'd you think?
It was fun.
Yeah, I mean, sure, it's a little pricey. You got 2 roller coasters. We did the bumper cars. I'm sorry, not the bumper cars. We did
They
the
were
bumper
bumper
boats. Yeah, yeah. We did the bumper boats. We did the go-karts, and we did the log flume. So, what was your favorite ride today?
Desert Storm. Is that what it's called? Desert Storm.
So the roller coaster was your favorite?
I guess.
I don't know what was my favorite. I mean, honestly, I think I enjoyed doing the go-karts and the bumper boats more than I enjoyed riding Desert Storm, just because I didn't really think it was that exciting. The log flume was pretty good, so they're just meh roller coasters. But well, that's gonna do it, and see you later.